Understanding the phrase, feast in honor of, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring a fascinating English phrase, feast in honor of. This phrase is not only rich in cultural significance but also a wonderful example of how English can beautifully convey respect and celebration. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. The phrase, feast in honor of, refers to a large meal prepared and enjoyed to show respect or celebrate someone or something important. It's a phrase that combines two key concepts: feast, a large, often luxurious meal, and honor, respect or tribute. When we say a feast is held in honor of someone or something, it means the event is dedicated to acknowledging and celebrating them. 1. Feast. This word is often associated with large, elaborate meals, usually involving multiple dishes and many people. Think of grand occasions like weddings or significant holidays. 2. In honor of. This prepositional phrase adds the element of respect and tribute. It signifies that the event, in this case, the feast, is dedicated to someone or something special. To better understand how to use feast in honor of, let's look at some examples. 1. The village held a feast in honor of the harvest season. Here, the feast celebrates the harvest season. 2. They organized a grand feast in honor of the visiting dignitaries. In this case, the feast is to show respect to the dignitaries. The phrase, feast in honor of, is deeply rooted in many cultures around the world. It reflects the human tradition of celebrating important events, milestones, or people with food and gathering. Understanding this phrase also offers a glimpse into the way different cultures use feasts as a form of celebration and respect. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, feast in honor of. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning, usage, and cultural significance of this beautiful phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and traditions they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.